Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a speed reviews. I did purchase some makeup in the month of January and some of these I think are from the very end of 2024, but yeah, I bought some stuff and I'm not that proud because even though some of these are really great products, I don't need more makeup right now. Let's start with the Haus Labs concealer. This is the Triclone Skin Tech Concealer. This is the number 3 Fair Rosy and I really like it. Will this become my favorite concealer? No. Will I enjoy using it up? For sure. My Natasha Denona concealer is still my favorite. This is less coverage than the Natasha Denona. That's the reason I like that one better, and that one is a bit more creamier. This I was very surprised. It is very thick, but it doesn't look cakey or ugly or something like that under the eyes. Just the consistency, it's very thick. So overall, I do like it. It wears great, it looks great. It's covering enough for my under eye, but I would not use something like this. I even purchased a very light shade as well, which is not the best. This is an under eye concealer for me. I will not use this one to spot conceal or something like that. The Natasha Denona one is just great for that part. Then I am not happy with myself because with mascaras and brow products, I always say that I'm not purchasing them anymore, and then I still have one of each in this video, so maybe I need to stop saying that I'm not gonna test brow products and mascaras. I'm gonna try my best, but it seems like I'm still curious. This one I heard so good reviews about, I was just so curious. So this is the Rare Beauty. Wow, I am 27, I don't feel old, but this writing, it makes me feel old. This writing is so small. It is flexible lifting gel from Rare Beauty, like I said. This is great. It is better than my Too Faced one? No. So yeah, it will not become my favorite. I will not repurchase it. And right now, I used it I think twice for my baby hair, which is absolutely stupid to buy a product this expensive to use it like that. But if you are at the end of the life of your brow gel, I highly recommend using it for that. The Too Faced one is a bit wet when you are applying it, but it is staying in place. This one is like a bit more goopy in a way. It is a bit more like a glue. But yeah, overall I do like it. It is a great product. So yeah, it will not become my favorite, but it is a great product. NYX is one of my favorite brands and they are coming up with some really exciting products and I want to buy all of them. But unfortunately, NYX is releasing products in Romania so late. Sometimes it takes like 6 months or even more than that to release a foundation or something, which is so frustrating and so annoying. But somehow I got this one in store close to the release date, so I was like, sure, let's test it out because all NYX primers are good. None of them are my absolute favorite primers, but I always use them up and I do enjoy them. So this one is no exception. I have it on my skin today and I think from the NYX line this is my favorite primer just because it is hydrating but a bit sticky, but it's not the type of sticky that I don't like, similar to the Milk or the e.l.f. gripping primers. Those are not for me. This is sticky enough to be considered like a gripping primer but hydrating. So I really like it. It looks great. Like I said, I have it on my skin today underneath the Huda Beauty foundation, which I absolutely adore. So this is great. I do love it. And yeah, from the NYX line, this is one of my favorites. Next, from Byoma, I tested the Liptide. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. The lip oil. The packaging is pretty cute and unique. The doe foot is giant and nice, but the stopper, as you saw, probably I got some on my pants, which is not great because the stopper is just a bit too strong and I need to try a bit hard to remove it, and I'm getting product everywhere. This is a nice applicator, like I said. The product is decent, but because of the packaging, it will not become a favorite. I will not repurchase it. If I want to recommend you a lip oil, just buy the Essence one. This is so inexpensive, not this shade in particular though, because I don't like this one. I will explain why. This is the clear shade. So this is a decent formula, nice on the lips. Overall, I will use it up for sure. It's not unusable, just the packaging. The stopper is way too strong. This is the Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. This is the second one that I'm purchasing. I had previously the orange one and I'm sad that I didn't purchase it again because this is Kiss from a Rose and I wanted something clear, and this is clear, but it smells like roses and I don't remember the other one smelling like this. I don't like the smell of rose in anything except roses. I don't want the fragrance with roses, I don't want skincare with roses, I don't want lip products with roses, only the flower. So yeah, because of that, this is not the most enjoyable experience, but the product is so good that I'm gonna use it up, and I will just stay like this, don't smell it, apply it on my lips and be okay with that, because it is a thicker lip oil, it is juicy, the applicator is giant and you can cover your lips with only one dip. Can't recommend this product enough, and it is like $4 or $5. It's just the best, and for sure I will purchase the orangey shade as well just to have it because it is great. Another lip product that I purchased, and this is on the opposite side, it's so expensive. This was an impulse purchase and I'm a bit mad of myself because even though I will use this product from time to time, it will not become a favorite, it will not be used up or something like that. I don't think I'm gonna get my money's worth of it, which is so annoying. This is the Clarins Water Lip Stain and I got the shade, again, I'm not old, but this writing in here, it is Mocha water. This is a nice product. I know how to use it, but it's not perfect. You are using this tiny applicator, it is like a watery consistency, and you are drawing it on your lips, remove it, and then put a gloss on top, and you have a stain. The stain is beautiful, I do like the color and everything. It's just that it is not always perfect. It's not, sometimes it's a bit patchy, and it's because of that it's not my absolute favorite product. But if you are using it as a lip liner and then remove it and apply a real lip liner and the gloss, your lips will have color for the whole day, which is nice. So overall, this one has a purpose in my life, but I hope I'm gonna use it enough to justify this price because it is expensive. Then I purchased this one that is decently expensive as well. It is the RMS Beauty Maiden's Blush. It is the Hydra Power Blush. This reminds me of the Pat McGrath formula, which that is expensive as well, so both of them are expensive. It's nice, it looks nice, the color is stunning, it is like a bronzy shade. I'm not wearing it today, I don't know why I showed you like that. It's nice. Will it become my favorite? No. I was hoping that this will be more shimmery, more glowy, something like the Benefit one that I'm wearing, or something even more shimmery. I do like a shimmery cheek. So unfortunately that is not the case. So it's nice, I will use it, but it's not my favorite. But a product that is my favorite right now is the Huda Beauty Pink Powder. I need to convince myself to use the normal powder because right now I want to use only the pink one, which is okay. I didn't expect it really. I'm using it today. It's great. This is the Cherry Blossom Cake shade from Huda Beauty. I knew from the beginning that this formula is great, so I was only testing this shade, and let me tell you, it's the most brightening, beautiful shade out there. And I don't know why I slept on this trend for so long, because my under eyes look incredible. This will be used up for sure. Let's talk about two skincare products as well. I bought the Cerave Reparative Hand Cream. This word, I didn't know that it exists in English, reparative, because we have a word in Romanian, close to it at least. It's like reparare, but that means like repairing something, and I'm getting the point, but it's a strange word in English. Anyway, this is nice, hydrating. Overall, I really like it. It is, I think, my favorite hand cream, because other ones are just fragranced to the heavens. This is without any fragrance, which is great. My hands are very, very weird in the winter months. They don't want anything. Soap is irritating them, any hand cream is irritating them, but this one it's okay, so I'm happy with that. And then I'm testing this one. This is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors and Inulin Body Lotion. So this is nice overall, but I used previously the Neutrogena one, and that one is better. It is more hydrating, but somehow it sinks into the skin faster. So I would recommend that one over this one. This is a new product from The Ordinary, and overall it is great, don't get me wrong. The pump works pretty decently. The pump works, that's the first thing, but because the part in here is so small, somehow it gets product in an unexpected direction. So I'm pumping it like this in here, and it goes that direction. You know what I mean? So that's not the best part of it, but overall the product is nice. It is sinking into the skin, but I prefer the Neutrogena one. Next we have the Mini Eye Sculpt from Natasha Denona. I'm wearing it today in my crease. I really like it. This will for sure travel with me this year, and I will enjoy it. The only critique that I have with it, I would have loved for this shade, the lightest one, to be even more pigmented. I do have it in my inner corner today, and it is a good inner corner highlight. I would just like a bit more pigment, just a bit. That is my only critique. Otherwise, it is the great, nice Natasha Denona formula. Next, I bought from Maybelline this product. It is a mascara. It is the Sky High Lash Sensational, but I bought the shade Burgundy Haze. I tested this one, I think 2 years ago or something. It's a nice mascara. It is a bit of a lengthening mascara, but I bought it because it is burgundy. I saw that Sephora collection released some colorful mascaras, and I knew that Maybelline had some as well, so I decided to purchase this one. Unfortunately, it's not burgundy enough. You know that I love the Essence mascara that is brown? That one is brown enough. It needs to be a good middle. Not too light, because you want your lashes to be just defined, but not black. Because right now, look at my lashes. Do you see a clear difference? Because I'm wearing, I do have some false lashes in here, don't mind that. But on the top lashes, I do have the Essence Lash Princess in black. On the lower lash, I have this one. And I even have a burgundy eyeliner, so that would make the mascara more burgundy, just to pop out. Do you see the difference? Because I cannot. It's just the slightest difference that, in my opinion, is not worth a full mascara in a color. And now I'm gonna go into Sephora and see the colorful mascaras from Sephora. Maybe they have a burgundy, and I will check it out and compare to this one. And lastly, I purchased a bronzer, and I was a bit scared because the only shade available, which is so annoying, on Notino's website was the shade 250 Light Clair. I think this is the second shade or something around that. Is not the lightest color for sure. This is the L'Oreal Infaillible 24-hour Fresh Wear Matte Bronzer. I was very curious about this one because I heard great things. But after the experience with the NYX bronzer, where I purchased the second shade and the first shade, and both of them were too pigmented and too dark for my skin tone. I do have some self-tanner on, but even without any self-tanner, I'm not the lightest shade. And both of those shades were really pigmented and really dark for my skin tone. So yeah, that was a bit, I didn't enjoy the formula because of that, so I was scared with this one. But I'm happy that I purchased this shade, and I'm happy that I decided to purchase this bronzer, because right now my Fenty bronzer is a bit too light. Because I am self-tanning, and that bronzer is just the best one for really light skin tones. But for me at this moment, I do like a bit more of a defined bronzer. So this one is just the right amount of pigmented. It is blending like a dream. It is a matte bronzer. It's beautiful. This is just so nice. I'm so happy that I purchased it, and it is a great bronzer. And I think I need to test more products from L'Oreal. Even though they are a bit more on the expensive side of the drugstore, I think they have really great products. So that is everything. I do have some that are not the best, not my favorites, but I have some that are really nice. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.